How to record audio in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can record audio in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, search for canva.com. Head over to Canva, and after you're on your Canva, simply open up a project that you're working on. So I'll just open up this project right here. And let's say this is a video, you can use any presentation or photos as well. So right here, you can see this. So let's say that I want to dub over this video. So what I'll need to do is first finish the edit, tap on this share icon on the top right. And after you tap on that, here, tap on see all options. And there you'll see an option that says present and record. Tap on it. So here you will see an option that says go to recording studio. Tap on go to recording studio. Give this site permission to use your camera and your microphone. So let's allow it for this time. And there you can see it can now access my camera and my microphone. I can tap on start recording to begin your recording. Then after you record, you can simply end it as well. And it's basically that simple, guys. That's how you can start recording your audio on Canva. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.